Hello everybody. So today we are going to discuss about the Tableau tip of the fortnight, and the topic here we are discussing is how to customize the displayed quick filter values. So now we'll go into the new sheet, and here we'll be displaying order date by sales. So we'll drag sales onto the row shelf, and the order date we consider it as month and year wise. So we go to more and then custom, and then here we select month and year. Now the next step is we have to duplicate the order date. So right click onto that and do duplicate. And now drag the duplicate order date onto the filter shelf, and select month and year here also. Now at this step, whatever values you do not want to display in the quick filter shelf, so we have to just select them and exclude them. So let's say we do not want these all 4 months of 2012, so we selected them and finally we exclude them and OK. Now the original order date has to be dragged onto the filter shelf, and it has to be also month and year. Now right click, OK. Now right click onto the filter shelf and show filter. So now you can see that all the 4 months we excluded are still coming. So the final step is we have to right click onto this quick filter, and we have to do the only relevant values. So now you can see it is starting from May and till the end. So this kind of tip is very useful when we have a huge amount of data and we do not want all the values to be displayed in the quick filter, which are of no use to us. So I hope you like the tip. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.